This is our final week of our 41st anniversary celebration. We hope you've been enjoying our daily deals. This will be the final week of our daily deals, Monday through Friday, so be sure to check every day for our daily deal. This is also the final week to take advantage of those huge savings we have on our sewing machines. We have 41 models at 41% off. Incredible savings. So this is the final week to take advantage of that opportunity. Then join us Saturday for our open house. We brought back our spinning wheel. You can stop in on Saturday and spin for your own deal. That'll be one spin per customer. We're also going to be drawing prizes. So you have an opportunity all month to stop in and sign up for our prizes. So be sure to stop in, sign up, and you also get entered just by commenting #SuperStitch on any one of our videos. So we'll be starting at 10 o'clock on Saturday, drawing prizes. We'll be giving away a different prize every hour, from scissors, stabilizers, our little sketch embroidery machine, and even a Janome 4120. So stop in and join us Saturday, and thank you for 41 years at SuperStitch.